hope everyone is staying safe and well out there. And so I just kind of wanted to show you guys, like, from the get-go, like, this is my morning how to apply a topper, like, routine. So I just take it down from the bun, brush it out, do a little bit of pre-brushing on the topper just to make sure there are no kinks here. And then I'll go ahead and put this back on my little wig stand here and get my hair ready. So I'll just part it like wherever I want it to part. And you guys can see my bio hair is pretty crazy right now. This is a lot of dry shampoo in it right now, but you can see how thin my hair is prior to putting this on. I just get it parted where I want, and then I'll take my little small comb and pull out some bio hair just to get it like ready. I'll usually comb all of this forward, and then that gives it a little bit more to grip onto. So I just clip my little clips in, and it's okay if they're a little tight right now because you can go back and readjust them later. And then I just take this hair and blend this out, pull it up a little bit. You can use blending powder like right here. I just don't always do that because sometimes the blending powder can like run off into your face. I've tried the blending powder and I don't like it as well as the Topic spray. I started off using the Topic spray and then I ventured out and tried a few other things, and I still always come back to the Topic spray because it's such better like wear. You get more wear out of it. I feel like the powders, they'll run off into my face. So honestly, I don't even think this needs any blending. I'll get up a little bit closer so you guys can see. I don't think it needs any like fibers or anything. So yeah. And then I don't really mind how my bio hair looks underneath because it gets pretty well covered. So you can see in the back here, it hides it pretty well. I have clipped it up before, so like I would just take some bobby pins and clip up those little hairs in the back, and it works perfectly. So again, this is the Melanie Remy Human Hair Topper from UniWigs. See you guys.